Welcome children to NCRT Class 3 Maths Lesson number 1. Let's look at the lesson. The topic is where to look from. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our picture to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawing looked different. This is Dheeraj's car and this is Anshul's car. Dheeraj's car is looking like a box in a box, okay? Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawing looked different. This is Dheeraj's car and this is Anshul's car. Dheeraj's car is looking like a box in a box, okay? Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Have you looked at things from different sides? Do they look the same or different? Yes. When we look at things from different side, they look different. When we see from up, they look flat. Like example of table is here. This table you are looking from a top view. So the table looks flat. And the side view of a table, you can see the legs of the table. Okay. So this is the side view of table and this is the top view of table. Both the views are different. So when we look from the side and when we look from the top, the views are different. Look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look from the side? From the side when you can see the legs. And when you see from the top, you can see a flat surface because table is flat. Some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. So this is a pressure cooker. When we see a pressure cooker from top, you can see the lid and the whistle like this. Okay. This is a sleeper. This is a side view. And when we look from the top, you can see the belts like this of a sleeper. This is a fruit and it will look like this. This is again a table. This is a side view of a table and this is a top view. The top view looks like a flat surface. Practice time. Look at this picture. What do you see? A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? Now this cat wants to see the teacher. Teacher is always in front of the students. So the teacher is in front in the classroom, okay, in front of the student. Children, here are some pictures. Find out where you have to look to see these things this way. Means from which side you will look so that it will look in this way. This is a staircase. This is a side view of a staircase. You have to see from the side. Now staircase, this is the front view. If you stand in front of the staircase, you can see a view like this, okay? If you want to see table like this, you have to look from the top. So this is a top view. Side view, front view, top view. Okay, now this chair you will tell me. Pencil. Children, you have to understand and tell, okay? Bus. So I will tell you, this is side view. Pencil, come on, tell me. Yes, top view. Again bus, side view. Now question here. Draw top views of few things and ask your friend to guess. Now top view we saw of pencil here and table here. You will draw few things. You can draw a remote, a mobile, or even you can draw a top view of different things at home and ask your friends. Rangoli. Rangoli is a design which we make in front of our home when at time of festivals, okay, when Diwali is there. So your mummy, your sister, they draw rangoli in front of your house. Rangolis are very beautiful with beautiful colors. Now this question this boy is asking, have you ever made rangoli? My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful flower patterns. I am Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make kolam patterns every morning. They are made using dots. Now, how does Meenakshi make rangoli? She makes rangoli by using dots. In this, they have to put proper dots and you have to join and make rangoli and fill it with different colors. You can also try using dots given below to make pattern. Two examples have been drawn here. You can see the pattern and similarly you can draw here. Okay, you have to count the dots. Now here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. So how many dots they have left? So they have left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots here and 8 dots. So similar patterns you can draw, like you can start from here and make a beautiful pattern. Make other patterns yourself. Here there are some patterns given, you have to make it. Some are like straight line. These are not straight line, this is a curved line. This flower is a curved line. So you have to make the patterns looking over here. Use the dot grid below to draw your own design and shape. Children, you will draw the designs, small designs of flower or shape. You can draw here. Complete these figures to make square and rectangles. Now here few lines are there and when you complete it, you will find few rectangles and few squares. So when we complete this, it becomes a rectangle. What is a rectangle? The opposite sides are equal. And what is a square? All sides are equal. Now you can count here like this. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You will go cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this can be a square. Okay. Again this can be a square when you complete this. Now how many dots are there? In this line 3. So when you make it with 3 lines, it will be a square. Okay. Or if you go up and make with 2 lines, 2 dots, it can be also a rectangle. So if you want to make a rectangle, you will use here. And if you want to make a square, you will make exactly with 3 dots. Now this figure again when you complete it, it will be a rectangle. This can also be a square. So the patterns, these are different patterns you can make with the dots. On the grid below, draw the following figure. You have to draw a kite, a boat, a leaf, a flower, a pot, a star using this pattern. Now, why we are playing with these shapes on grid, children? That you will understand the shapes and the symmetry. Like symmetry means when we divide the picture from the center, they are equal on both the side. So the symmetry you have to understand, and that is why these patterns are being made on the dots. Okay. Tit for tat. Let's read the story. One day, Amina met a painter. Can you make a picture? Amina asked the painter. He said, sure, I will charge 200 for it. After a while, the painter showed her the picture. The painter showed her only half picture. Amina, how do you like it? Amina was sad. But this is only half. The other half is exactly the same. So you put a mirror to get the complete picture. Now this painter was playing trick with Amina, and he said, you put the mirror and you can see the whole picture because half of the side is same. So painter then asked for money. Now can I have my money? Amina was very smart. Amina gave him 100 rupee note. But this is only the half money. So what Amina replies to the painter? The other half is exactly the same. So put a mirror next to note and get the full money. Amina says, this is 100, and when you put the mirror, you will see the other 100 in the mirror. So Amina played trick with the painter. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of this picture and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. Children, you can get a mirror and put it here, and you can see the other side, like you will get a complete picture because these pictures are both similar at both the side. They are symmetrical. This like the things which are same on both the side are called symmetrical. Okay. So when we complete this picture, you will get a butterfly, or when you complete this picture, you will get a diya, and this picture you will get a cat, and this is a picture of star, and here if you complete this picture, you will get a fish. Now children, look at these things. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing the pictures of the following? This is a caterpillar, this is a cup, and this is a flag. When we cut this into two halves, do we get same pictures on both the side? No. We cannot apply the painter's trick on these pictures. Okay? If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the tricks. Okay? Draw 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. Means you have to draw the things which do not have. You can draw a pen or a jug. You can draw many things here. Mirror half. Look at the picture given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into 2 similar mirror halves? Like you saw the magician, how he tricked the girl, and he was showing her the mirror for half pictures. So like this, there are pictures which you can divide into 2 equal parts. So this triangle is divided by this line. Is it making equal? Yes. So you will put a tick mark. This line is making into 2 different halves? Yes. Put a tick mark. Is this line dividing this picture into 2 same? No. Is this line dividing this square into same equal? No. So you will not put tick mark here. Is this line dividing this triangle? Yes. So you will put a tick mark. Again, this tree, it is not divided into 2 equal. So you will not put a tick mark. This line is dividing this letter B into 2 equal halves. So you will put a tick mark here. And again, this letter T is divided by this line, and you will put a tick mark here. Rest of the exercise, children, you will do it yourself, because doing exercise doing yourself is important to understand the concept. If you do it correctly, means you have understood the concept. The concept of here is symmetry, similar. Okay, both the side is similar. You have to understand this. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into 2 similar halves? Like the painter, he played trick with the girl and he made only half pictures. Similarly, if you divide this, you can get 2 equal same pictures. For this envelope also, if you divide from the center, you will get the similar pictures. For this letter 8, if you divide from the middle, okay, from this horizontal line. Scissor also, if you divide from here up to down, you get both the sides similar. Button also, if you divide it from up to down or from horizontal or vertical, any one line can divide it into two equal half. But here this pot, can you divide it into equal part by drawing a line? No, because where from wherever you draw a line, you don't get two equal halves. Pencil, can you get two equal half? No. Mug, when you draw a line, you don't get two equal half. Okay, children, rest of the exercise you will do it yourself.